video has stopped now, so that's why we just.
Okay, okay, no issues, no issues.
Now we can start.
Yeah, madam, so insert the yarn for third fabric.
Hmm.
Yarn button is on the right side bottom.
Okay. Oh यार.
Hmm.
Insert. कौन सा यहाँ लगेगा इसको?
Cotton twister.
चूज कर इसमें होगा. नीचे. नहीं ऊपर तक यहाँ पे. देखो जरा.
कॉटन लगेगा एंड प्लिस्टर लगेगा.
दो लग रहे
कॉटन.
हैं. हाँ तो फिर चूज करो एक कॉटन. कौन सा लगेगा?
ओहो.
डिलीट कर दो.
कैसे करूँ?
क्लिक करो ना ऊपर.
यहाँ.
यहाँ पे क्लिक करो.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
वो डिलीट करूँगा फिर क्या होता है?
ये तो पूरा ही डिलीट हो जाएगा.
नहीं सिर्फ यहाँ डिलीट होगा.
How to delete this?
Bottom you have the delete button. Bottommost yarn delete.
Okay.
In insert.
मुझे नहीं पता सिंक कर सकती लगाना कुछ.
If you want to find another yarn, use your fate.
अभी हम ना सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो कोई भी लगाओ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बाद में जब होगा उसको उस बेसिस के ऊपर लगेगा. F8 है ना.
List all yarn and search for your fabric. Yeah.
Apply.
Close.
30 and cotton. Set.
Okay, ma'am. Again close.
क्लोज करो. हो गया वो.
Close.
उसको जोड़.
This one 1000 each ratio.
Change the ratio. कितना चाहिए? 50 कितना? 60.
नहीं 30 ग्राम लग रहा है सिर्फ.
30 ग्राम लगना है. रेशियो बता रहा है ये.
रेशो नहीं मुझे पता कितनी ग्राम.
दो यहाँ लगाएंगे ना तो किस रेशियो में लगाएंगे हम?
अच्छा उसकी.
हाँ.
60 40 to 600.
ये बंद हो गया था डफे.
नहीं हाँ वो चल गया.
So insert one more yarn for the balance 400 grams.
Okay.
अब कौन सा यहाँ लगाएं?
Polyester.
काटा दिया पोलिस्टर. हाँ ये. ठीक है हो गया.
Save.
No. You go to the fabric consumption. See, you have inserted fabric. For that fabric, you have to give what is the consumption per garment.
30 grams.
Yeah, type 30.
30.
क्लिक करो. राइट क्लिक. सेट.
Okay. Fabric color. It's all colorless. Then fabric dyeing is there. Fabric process. This third fabric, piping fabric. To what color it will get dyed? Is it white bleaching or what color it will get dyed?
Navy.
Type the navy here. Capital better. Okay. Now you can save.
After saving it comes to the initial first screen. Is it?
Yes. After saving this screen will close and it will give the order listing rows.
Okay. But if in case the way that yesterday my system was turned off, so it saves the entire process, or we have to reinitiate the process from the beginning?
Sorry, I didn't understand. What happened yesterday?
Yesterday in the evening, my system has shut down.
Okay.
Due to just power loss. So in that case, I'm asking that if we are in between of some process, so it automatically saved on the background, or
No.
we have to reinitiate the process from the beginning?
We'll have to, if we have not saved it and if you lose connection to the database because of power shutdown or network cable missing,
Yes,
then
yes.
then you have to redo the whole thing again. Because every time we save, there is a lot of validations. We are pulling data from the order screen. We are pushing data into the purchase screen. So we will not be able to save in the middle. We have to save completely and then update.
Okay.
There save it on the changes only.
Close are okay here.
Okay. So now maybe this order has been done, is it?
This order fabric is done. Trims we
Yes,
have to
yes,
do.
yes, yes. Now we have to go for the MRP pro section.
Let this complete. Fabric we have done. We can see the report how it looks like.
Okay.
No remarks here. No. Click no here. No sample quantity. Yes. Yes to the report.
Yes.
So report will show purchase. What are you purchasing? See? So you have to purchase 4 yarns. 44 kg, 33 kg, and then another 30 kg, then 1.89 kg 30 NE cotton. Okay, then it is going to knitting, gray knitting. It is knitted off fleece fabric, different counts, C20, C20 NE. Okay, and then it is knitted as single jersey also. 3 fabrics it is getting knitted. These 4 yarns are getting knitted as 3 fabrics. Then it goes to splintering. After splintering, it goes to decatizing. After decatizing, it is going to dyeing. In dyeing, it is getting dyed as LT gray, and these 3 fabrics are getting dyed as these colors. Okay. After dyeing, it goes to production. In production, it is produced as hoodie light gray, bottom light gray, M size. Hoodie light gray, L size, bottom light gray, L size. Okay, this is production, compromise production, top separate production, bottom separate production. Okay, then you come to polypacking. In polypacking, it is combined as hoodie tracksuit. Hoodie tracksuit. No, polypacking it should be M, only one M here. 2 is coming.
One is for bottom and another is for top. Is it?
No. In hoodie tracksuit, in the polypacking, it should come as one set. It is not coming as a set. Wait a minute, I will check it now. I think we made some mistake in the process selection. Modify.
अंदर भी तो जा रही है
नहीं अभी वाले तो नहीं है ये जो है ना ये तो ट्रैकलेट वाले हैं इतने नहीं होते
Polypacking.
ये तो बंदा लड़का है ना
No. Here, compound is yes. How do you click yes? It should be no.
Okay. So it comes under a process selection. Is
Yes. Okay. I save this again.
So it automatically reflected over there, or
Yeah, it will get automatically updated. Let us see.
okay.
Reports. B4. So you right click, select polypacking. Polypacking, it will come as hoodie tracksuit, M size, L size, XL. It is unit set.
Why it is showing 35? I have mentioned there 34.
You give 1% allowance. No?
Okay.
Just 1% allowance.
Yeah,
That is why. Okay, so clear, no?
It can be minus 1% also.
Minus 1%. Then you can put minus.
Minus or plus. Sometime minus, sometime plus.
No, minus is for the shipment purpose only. For material allocation purpose, you can't say minus.
Yeah,
For
of
allocating
course.
fabric and allocating trims, we can't say minus. So we'll always put +1. In shipment alone, we can drop shipment or you can do excess
Yeah.
shipment. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have done the fabric part.
Hmm.
So you've done the fabric part. Next you can do the trims part of it.
Trims.
So, madam, you did the trims yesterday. Can you try it yourself?
Trims.
Yeah. You can add
Hmm.
label, buttons, swing thread,
Okay.
poly bag.
Where to match?
So trims. Bottom you have insert button. Also, here
Okay.
also you have items from item master. From both
Yeah.
areas, both buttons you can pull out the trims. So what trims you want, you can drop down.
Labels.
Yeah, try.
Main label.
Retrieve.
तो अलग लेबल है कौन सा लगाना है इसमें we need label for redesign
It is not there, then you have to create
no
it.
okay तो create होना item master should I close this
Yeah, please close.
okay
Go to the button, item master. In or label care, whichever is appropriate.
woven maybe woven material name
F6, you put F6 and type redesign.
redesign
Madam, F6, without F6 you can't key in the value.
okay material name reason
तो F6 करो F and F6
ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਇਹ डिजाइन ਇੱਥੇ लिखता
वो तो फिर पीछे से उठा लो
नहीं मैंने लिखा again redesign
Oh, it's already there. Then material name you can put a dash there.
Oh, it is not there. We added it right now.
Oh, okay. One time, if you say it is okay. Black. Okay. Size you can. I mean, is it a size label?
No, this is main label.
Main label, no.
Brand label.
So you just put a dash there. That's all.
Okay.
Click OK. No.
We should not save it, no?
Not
we need to add more trims.
Cancel here. Click no. You can again enter the other trims. Whatever is not there, you can add it.
Okay, size label.
Okay, size label. Yeah, we create only one size. I showed you the auto insert yesterday that you can use. Just create only
now,
one.
how to write? Huh?
Size you put a dash there.
Why?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
Please put a dash. Save this. Click OK. Save yes.
I need to add more trims.
But I will first show you how to use the labels. Then you can add more trims and do it. Click Save Changes. Yes. So that again, I think 12:30 you want to go. I mean,
Yes,
stop the
yes.
session. No, that is why. I'll just show this quickly.
Okay.
Click no. I am exiting here. Coming to the main screen. Click this insert button. Bottom right side.
Yeah.
Take label size.
Check करो.
Scroll down and take
Label size.
Label में.
label size. First take label size.
Pur.
No, L. Yes. Okay. Select this one.
नीचे आ गया ना. ये आ गया ना.
Click on the blue line. Click on the blue line. Now double
Yes,
click
it is
on
there.
double click on the consumption. CONS.
Consumption.
The blue one.
Okay.
Double click on it.
Hmm.
Okay. See, whatever you selected that has come at the top. Here on the left side, you can see custom set to order garment color, set to garment sizes. Now we want size label. So you select set to garment sizes. Third one. Okay. Put the consumption here. One piece per garment.
Hmm.
The allowance here.
One piece for top and one piece for bottom.
Okay, then you put two pieces here.
Size label.
Yeah, two pieces.
Allowance.
Now you click insert items.
ऊपर है.
Insert item is the second button.
Yeah.
So 3 items got inserted. Let us see what it is. So system of generator, ML, XL and double XL. Double XL is zero quantity, so that will not get inserted. So you can see label size M, L, XL. System itself will generate.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose inside this, if you want to go and see inside this, you click here and press F6.
Okay.
It will open up here. It will say this redesigned black M is used in light gray M size, and it is used in both hoodie and top 2 pieces. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use it in the bottom, then you can unselect that. So these 2 pieces both will go to the top. But if you want both, then you have to select both.
अच्छा यहाँ लिखा है ना bottom and top.
Maybe I think here I think it should be one, no? One for bottom and
Yes.
one
One
for
for
top, not 2 pieces.
So because it is a set now, so we have to put the consumption over there as an one. So automatically maybe it will distribute it to the both.
Okay. Maybe you can later check.
No, but we need main label only one piece for top only.
In that case, you have to unselect bottom here. Okay.
Sorry.
No, see, for main label, you don't need it for the bottom.
Yeah.
So if you have a main label, you have to unselect bottom.
Okay.
Now try main label here. Insert. Click insert. Choose label main. Select that. Redesign. Select the first row. Now press F6. Okay. Now this woven redesigned black is applicable for LT gray color. It is applicable for all these sizes. Okay. It is applicable to the top only. Okay. Select that. Put the consumption here and allowance and OK. System will map this combination and allot the quantity accordingly. Tab. So 105 pieces. So you have understand. Right. Click OK. Yes. You can now. This is how you do it. You want to do the other things now, or you want to do it in the next session?
Click करो. इस पे एक बार click करो.
इस पे?
ऊपर.
यहाँ?
डबल क्लिक. अच्छा यहाँ पे नीचे उसकी डिटेल्स आ गई ना. ठीक है.
This is for
Close.
Yeah, please close. So you understand this concept, no? How to generate it size-wise and how to allocate it for that particular component, how to allocate it. We have to do it this way, right?
After this, we have to click on save.
You can, pardon me?
Uh, Now this all is completed. Now we have to click on save.
Yeah, please click
No,
save
we
and
need to
save it.
add more.
Uh,
We need to add more frames.
So
if you have the time,
Please,
you can
please
add now.
explain.
Otherwise, you can close the session and come back again. We can try to meet in the evening again.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So if we click on save, so we can remodify it in the
Yes,
later. Is it?
yes.
Okay. Click on save.
Click on save, please.
Yeah. No.
No.
Okay.
Wait, Mr. Shivam, can we close the session here?
Yes, yes, we can.
Evening, you can call around 4:30, 4:45. We'll try to have
Okay.
another session. Okay?
Okay. We will have no problem.
Yes. Okay then. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.